Livingstone, you're a veteran at truck tests. Tell me about your history with truck tests and how the brand has fared in the past.
Yeah, we have been very much interested in the truck test for many years. I think all the focus truck tests we've participated because we have seen value in the truck test. It's something that operators use to benchmark their results, and also they use the truck test results to make decisions on buying trucks. The last one that we did was in 2017, where MAN did quite extremely well, in fact. Yeah.
You're being very humble. You trounced the opposition, didn't you?
Yes, we did. Our productivity was very high on the test. And more importantly, the metric the customers look for, it's the actual fuel consumption, which was in the 46 liters per 100, if I'm not mistaken, back then. Yeah. And really we did very well. Back then we were introducing new technologies as well in the vehicles. We had just introduced the direct drive gearbox back then, and it proved to be very successful.
I think the operator is going to be more interested than ever before because of the fuel price hikes. Do you think that's something that they're really going to be paying attention to now?
Very much so, because the operating cost, a very high percentage of the actual vehicle operating cost is associated with fuel consumption. So they will be paying a big interest in that number, yes.
What features on your trucks can help lower fuel consumption, apart from the driver, of course? I mean, the driver is very important.
In this truck test as MAN, I'm sure the industry knows, we have just recently launched the new TG3, which you can see here in the picture. So the big focus on the TG3, it's improved aerodynamics, which allows the better airflow around the cab. We have lots of features in the vehicle. Our engine performance and mappings have been improved. We've got smarter gearboxes than we had before, with shift very fast, and it knows the load, it knows the inclination of the roads. So there are many features that actually help the driver to perform quite well. One of the key features that probably is underrated by the market is the adaptive cruise control, which does allow that gentle acceleration when used properly. So there are a number of features that do help with fuel consumption.
Now, something that you've done recently, which has really shocked the market, was you've introduced a Euro 6 truck in a Euro 2 market. Tell me why you've done that.
As MAN, we really stand for industry leadership. We want to lead the industry into a particular direction, whereby we want to introduce this technology, which is environmentally benign, to prove that even here in South Africa, this type of vehicle can work and it can perform. And slowly the fuel quality is improving, and also the support infrastructure is really getting there. And as MAN, we want to showcase that technology with the TG3 product that we have just launched. In the European market, our Euro 6 technology is doing extremely well, and we wouldn't want to disadvantage our local operators. We also want them to have the greatest and the best that is available in the world.
Yeah. Local transport operators are very cost sensitive though, and a Euro 6 truck is always going to cost more than a Euro 2 or 3 truck. So realistically, how many of the Euro 6 trucks do you think you can actually sell here?
We don't measure that business in terms of the volumes that are sold, but rather in terms of the impact that we make in the industry, and also the impact that we make onto the environment itself. So there are blue chip customers of ourselves that are really in for technology. So we cannot predict the volumes, but let the market decide, and the demand will tell us. And hopefully after the track test, they will actually see that the efficiencies that they can derive from this truck, it can justify the high cost or price.
Finally, Livingstone, your new truck generation won the 2021 International Truck of the Year award. Congratulations on that.
Thank you very much.
How do you think you're going to do at Truck Test 2022?
Well, we have set the benchmark in 2017, and we believe we will improve on our own benchmark. That's one of the reasons why MAN has put 4 trucks onto the track test, because we want to benchmark against ourselves. You know. So we have set that standard and want to beat that standard that we did in 2017.
Fantastic. Well, good luck.
Thank you
May
very
the
much.
best truck win.
May the best truck win. Thank you.